Hi, today I'm going to show you a quick and simple way to safely energize your water using crystals and gemstones and help bring up your vibration by drinking this water. So, first we start with an altar cloth and a nice shiny window. We add some sacred geometry for a grid. This is a metric cube, and then a pitcher of water. The water is from our well. It's a nice deep well, but you can use spring water, distilled water. I suggest a filtered water of some sort. Tap water is fine, but it has chlorine and fluoride in it, and that's probably not the best thing to ingest in big, large quantities anyway. So if you can filter it through a Brita filter or something like that, that would be great. So you put it on your sacred geometry grid, and then you take your stones and you put them around it. Now I like to have some pink quartz on it, around it. Bring in the love. I have some ametrine. I have some citrine for self-esteem. I have some rutilated quartz to integrate the energies. I have some shugite, which will, it's good for grounding. I have some sodalite, which corresponds to the throat chakra. I have some labradorite, which is good for intuition and spirituality. I have some more tourmaline for some more grounding, and hematite for the same thing. This tourmaline's an example of a crystal you shouldn't use in your water. It's not polished, and tourmaline also contains some rare minerals that I wouldn't want in my water, leaching into my water in the first place. And here's some tiger eye, which is good for intuition and psychic protection. Now to this I'm going to add some of my amethyst points. My amethyst points, if you note, I'm pointing them in towards the water. The points that way, they charge towards the water. And lastly, I'm going to surround my jug of water with quartz points, grid it with the quartz points to charge the water. And I'm using the points on the sacred geometry as guidelines, but you can also just put them around depending on what you grid on. Like the points of a compass. So you just distribute your points all the way around. And these quartz points help direct the energy inwards towards the water and sort of magnify the other gemstones, piezoelectricity. So I like to put those in there, put them all the way around. And lastly, I'll take my master quartz, healer quartz, and I'll just go around this jug of water and the grid in a clockwise circle, kind of turning on and charging all the points with that energy. Now if you have Reiki, you can Reiki your water at this point in time, or you can Reiki the whole grid, or the whole kit and caboodle. Also you can take some sage or Palo Santo wood and just bless it with and clear it with that. With the lid, clear the space. And that's it. There's other ways to charge your water. You don't need a grid. You can just put words on your jar, like peace and love, and that'll help charge the positivity and raise the vibration of the water. So drink up and cheers. This is Rhonda Elliott, Reiki Master Teacher and a member of the Akashic Academy. Wishing you good health and great water.